Welcome to our journey through the Amazon River, where we will discover some of nature's wildest and most amazing fish. This colossal river, a pulsating artery through the heart of South America, cradles a biodiversity so immense, so vibrant, that it continues to astound and mystify us. It is a realm where water and forest merge, creating a labyrinth of habitats, each with its own unique inhabitants, each telling a story of adaptation and survival that has unfolded over millennia. Here, beneath the surface of these life-giving waters, an extraordinary cast of characters thrives, creatures that have evolved in remarkable ways to navigate this complex, ever-changing world. The Amazon is not merely a river, it is an aquatic continent, a sprawling network of channels, floodplain lakes and blackwater streams, each with its distinct chemical signature and ecological niche. Its sheer scale is difficult to comprehend, discharging more water than the next 7 largest rivers combined. Within its depths and in the seasonally flooded forests it nourishes, life has explored a myriad of forms. We are about to venture into this hidden domain, to seek out fish that defy easy categorization, fish that possess abilities and forms that seem almost to belong to the realm of fantasy. These are the denizens of the deep, the masters of their aquatic environment. Our exploration will bring us face to face with ancient giants, with notorious predators, with masters of electrical power, and with tiny creatures whose lives are intricately and sometimes alarmingly entwined with others. Each one is a testament to the relentless ingenuity of natural selection. As we delve into their world, observing their behaviors and understanding their adaptations, we hope to foster a deeper connection, a profound appreciation for these wild and wonderful beings, and for the incredible Amazonian ecosystem that sustains them. So let us begin this immersive experience into the very heart of the river. Our first encounter is with a true leviathan of the freshwater world, the arapaima. This magnificent fish, one of the largest freshwater fish on Earth, can reach lengths of over 3 meters and weigh more than 200 kilograms. It is a creature that seems to have swum directly out of prehistory, a living fossil, whose lineage stretches back over 100 million years. The arapaima prefers the calmer, often oxygen-poor waters of the Amazon's vast floodplains, the tranquil oxbow lakes and the slow-moving channels fringed by dense vegetation. Here, in these still warm waters, it reigns as an apex predator, a silent giant gliding through the submerged world, its large scales forming an armored mosaic, shimmering with hues of green and red. The arapaima's choice of habitat presents a significant challenge: low oxygen levels, but evolution has equipped this remarkable creature with an ingenious solution. It is an obligate air breather, possessing a modified swim bladder rich in blood vessels that functions much like a lung. Periodically, with a grace that belies its immense size, the arapaima must surface to gulp atmospheric air. This adaptation not only allows it to survive, but to thrive in waters where other large fish might struggle, giving it a distinct advantage. The sound of its characteristic cough-like gulp can sometimes be heard echoing across the quiet waters, a telltale sign of its presence in these secluded environments, a reminder of its ancient connection to both water and air. Life in the floodplains is intrinsically linked to the seasonal pulse of the river. During the high water season, the arapaima ventures into the submerged forests, a greatly expanded hunting ground teeming with fish and other prey. As the waters recede, it may find itself confined to smaller lakes and pools, where its air-breathing ability becomes even more critical. This ancient titan is perfectly attuned to the rhythms of the Amazon, a testament to enduring survival, a powerful symbol of the wild, untamed spirit of these extraordinary waters. Its very existence speaks of resilience, a long, unbroken chain of life stretching back through the ages. No journey into the Amazon's aquatic realms would be complete without encountering the piranha, a name that often evokes images of frenzied attacks and razor-sharp teeth. While their reputation has certainly been sensationalized, the physical attributes of these fish are indeed formidable and perfectly suited to their role in the ecosystem. The most striking feature, of course, is their dentition. Piranhas possess a single row of incredibly sharp, triangular, interlocking teeth in both their upper and lower jaws. These teeth are like perfectly honed blades capable of shearing through flesh with astonishing efficiency. When the mouth closes, these teeth mesh seamlessly, creating a cutting edge that is both precise and powerful, a tool refined over millions of years of evolution. The power behind this fearsome bite comes from exceptionally strong jaw muscles attached to a robust, compact skull. This muscular arrangement allows the piranha to exert significant force, enabling it to take decisive bites from prey or to scavenge effectively on carcasses, playing a vital role in cleaning the river's ecosystem. Their bodies are typically deep and laterally compressed, a shape that allows for quick bursts of speed and agile maneuvering within the complex underwater environment of tangled roots and dense aquatic vegetation. This streamlined yet powerful build is crucial for both hunting and evading larger predators in the intricate dance of life and death that plays out daily in these waters. Beyond the teeth and jaws, piranhas exhibit other fascinating characteristics. Many species display iridescent scales that shimmer with a metallic luster ranging from silver and gold to reds and blacks, often providing camouflage within the dappled light of the river. They possess keen senses, particularly a well-developed sense of smell, allowing them to detect the faintest traces of blood or distress signals from potential food sources. It is important to remember, however, that the term piranha encompasses many different species, not all of which are aggressive carnivores. Some indeed are primarily vegetarian, feeding on seeds and plants, challenging the monolithic, fearsome image so often portrayed. Chapter 3. Now we turn our attention to one of the Amazon's most electrifying inhabitants, though perhaps surprisingly, it is not a true eel at all. The electric eel is actually a type of knife fish, a long, sinuous creature that has mastered the production and deployment of powerful electrical charges. Its diet is quite varied, consisting primarily of other fish, but it will also take amphibians, crustaceans, and even occasionally small mammals or birds that find themselves in the water. This creature, often growing to over 2 meters in length, navigates and hunts in the often murky, sediment-laden waters of slow-moving tributaries and swamps, where visibility is extremely limited, making its electrical sense an invaluable tool for survival and predation. The electric eel's hunting method is a marvel of biological engineering. It possesses 3 pairs of abdominal organs that produce electricity: the main organ, hunter's organ, and Sax's organ. For navigation and prey detection, it emits low-voltage pulses from the Sax's organ, creating an electrical field around its body. Distortions in this field, caused by nearby objects or potential prey, are sensed by electroreceptors distributed across its skin. Once prey is located, the eel can unleash a high-voltage discharge up to 860 volts from its main and hunter's organs. This powerful shock is designed to stun or paralyze its victim almost instantaneously, a swift and effective predatory strike delivered with unseen force. Once the prey is incapacitated by the intense electrical jolt, the electric eel can then consume its meal at leisure. The shock itself is often enough to cause cardiac or respiratory arrest in smaller animals. The eel typically seizes the stunned fish head first, swallowing it whole. This extraordinary ability to generate and control electricity not only makes it a highly successful hunter, but also serves as a formidable defense mechanism against its own potential predators, such as caimans or large wading birds. The electric eel is a true specialist, a living testament to the diverse and astonishing ways in which life can harness the fundamental forces of nature to thrive in challenging environments. Chapter 4. From the large and powerful, we now shift our focus to a creature of diminutive stature, yet one that has earned a rather notorious reputation, the candiru. This small, slender, translucent catfish, often no more than a few centimeters long, is a remarkable example of extreme specialization. Several species of candiru are known, and many of them are parasitic, feeding on the blood or flesh of larger fish. Its near-transparent body makes it incredibly difficult to spot in the turbid waters it often inhabits, allowing it to approach its unsuspecting hosts with stealth. While stories of it invading human urethras are largely sensationalized and poorly documented, its method of parasitizing fish is undeniably fascinating, albeit somewhat gruesome. The candiru's primary adaptation for its parasitic lifestyle is its extraordinary ability to locate its hosts. It is highly sensitive to chemicals, such as ammonia, which are released from the gills of respiring fish. Following these chemical trails, the candiru hones in on a potential host. Once a suitable fish is found, the candiru, with surprising speed and agility for its size, aims for the gill chamber. Its slender eel-like body is perfectly shaped for this invasive maneuver, allowing it to slip into the tight confines of the host's gills, where it can access a rich supply of blood. This behavior is a highly specialized form of hematophagy, or blood feeding. Once inside the gill cavity, the candiru employs another remarkable adaptation. It erects a set of short, sharp spines that project backwards from its gill covers. These spines act like barbs, anchoring the candiru firmly in place and making it extremely difficult for the host fish to dislodge it. Securely attached, the candiru then uses its needle-like teeth to make an incision into a gill filament, rasping away at the tissue and feeding on the blood that flows freely. After feeding for a short period, typically just a minute or two, the engorged candiru detaches and swims away, leaving its host to recover. This interaction, though brief, highlights the intricate and often brutal realities of survival in the Amazon. Chapter 5. Our final subject is the magnificent tambaqui, a large and economically important karakin, a relative of the piranha, but with a vastly different ecological role. Growing up to a meter in length and weighing as much as 30 kilograms, the tambaqui is a gentle giant of the Amazon's flooded forests, or, unlike the more carnivorous species we have encountered, the tambaqui plays a crucial, positive role in maintaining the health and diversity of these unique ecosystems. It is a fish deeply intertwined with the annual flooding cycles that transform vast areas of rainforest into an aquatic wonderland, a world where fish swim among the trees and the forest floor becomes a temporary riverbed. The tambaqui has a highly specialized diet, particularly during the high water season when the rivers swell and inundate the surrounding forest. It is primarily frugivorous, feeding on the fruits and seeds that fall from the canopy trees into the water below. To deal with this unusual fare, the tambaqui has evolved exceptionally powerful molar-like teeth capable of crushing hard nuts and tough-skinned fruits that would be inaccessible to many other fish. It navigates the submerged forest, seeking out trees laden with ripe offerings, its keen senses guiding it to these seasonal bounties. This unique feeding behavior makes it a key interactor with the terrestrial flora, even though it is an aquatic creature. This diet of fruits and seeds leads to the tambaqui's most vital ecological function. It is one of the Amazon's most important seed dispersers. After consuming the fruits, the tambaqui will swim considerable distances before excreting the seeds, often undamaged and sometimes even scarified by their passage through its gut, which can aid germination. By transporting seeds far from the parent tree, the tambaqui helps to regenerate the forest, ensuring the spread of tree species throughout the floodplain. In this way, it acts as an orchard keeper or gardener of the Amazon, playing an indispensable part in the complex web of life that defines this extraordinary region, connecting the aquatic and terrestrial realms in a cycle of renewal. Our journey through the Amazon River has brought us face to face with but a small selection of its most remarkable piscine inhabitants, from the ancient arapaima breathing air in an aquatic world, to the misunderstood piranha with its formidable bite, the electrifying prowess of the electric eel, the invasive candiru, and the forest-sustaining tambaqui. Each fish has revealed a unique story of adaptation and survival. These creatures are not mere curiosities. They are integral components of one of the planet's most vital and complex ecosystems, an ecosystem that is both resilient and fragile, facing unprecedented pressures in our modern world. The Amazon continues to hold countless secrets within its murky depths. There is still so much to learn, so much to discover about the intricate relationships that bind its inhabitants together. The sheer biodiversity is a treasure, a living library of evolutionary solutions. It is our hope that by sharing these glimpses into their lives, we have fostered a sense of wonder and a deeper appreciation for the natural world and for the urgent need to protect these extraordinary environments. The fate of these wild and amazing fish is inextricably linked to our own stewardship of the planet. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through the Amazon River. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing nature discoveries. The wonders of our world are vast and endlessly fascinating, and every effort to understand and conserve them enriches us all. May the echoes of the river continue to inspire curiosity and respect for the delicate balance of life that it sustains.